Now what I am going to tell is Satya Sai Gadya. It is more powerful when you say this mantra. You have got a pass to go to Vaikuntha. You understand? It is free pass. Free pass. Nobody can stop you.
Yes.
No can stop you. When you go in this thing, check post, you show this press. They salute and send you. And this is in Satya Sai Bhajanavali. It is there. I'm telling that. I'm going to tell them. Okay. And here, whenever Jaya Vijayi Bhava comes, when I say, all should say Jaya Vijayi Bhava. Okay. At that time, you can take the water and put it in your head or your body, wherever. Okay. Now I'll say. Okay. All of you reverentially pray to Sai, Mother Sai. Okay. Think of Swami in your heart and He is blessing you. Ayodhya Madhura Maya Kasi Kanchi Avanti Dwaraka Buridulyadida Sri Puttaparthi Suddha Siddhi Mukti Prabhava Shetandaranga Susopita Sopa Vilasha Kotuli Sarida Sundaranga Chitta Chora Adhyarshariya Akadana Kadana Samarthya Nitya Vibhudi Leela Vibhudi Ubaya Vibhudi Nata Shri Ranganatha Shri Venkatanatha Shri Vaidyanatha Shri Swaminatha Shri Shanmuganatha Shri Sainatha Devati Deva Deva. Now you have to say one time Jai Vijayi Bhava. Take the water. Jaya Vijayi Bhava. Puttaparthi Chakravarti Sachidananda Shri Dasarada Rama Sita Rama Kodanda Rama Maruti Rama Sundara Rama Atma Rama Pattabhi Rama Shri Sai Rama Nityananda Premananda Brahmananda Paramananda Jnanananda Hridayananda Atmananda Nitya Kalyana Jajvalya Nitya Shri Nitya Mangala Sarva Mangala Saubhagya Pradayaka Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Swarupa Swamitva Vatsalya Sausilya Saulabhya Ananta Kalyana Guna Ghanauha Makarnava. Take the water. Jaya Vijayi Bhava. Sasitra Sai, Bhujagendra Sai, Nandanga Sai, Kamalanga Sai, Shirabdi Sai, Vadabhadra Sai, Sri Ranga Sai, Sri Satya Sai Swarupa, Atma Lingot Bhavakara, Jodi Lingot Bhavakara, Prema Lingot Bhavakara, Swarna Lingot Bhavakara, Nada Lingot Bhavakara, Nabilingot Bhavakara, Shri Sai Lingeshwara, Shri Shiradishwara, Pattishwara, Parameshwara, Jagadishwara, Maheshwara, Vishweshwara, Sarveshwara, Shri Saishwara, Agila Jagadadara, Agila Jagaswamin, Asmaswamin, Acharanya Charanya Sriman Narayana Agilanda Kodi Brahmanda Nayaka Satya Dharma Shanti Prema Ahimsa Vadara Shri Satya Sai Swarupa Netrananda Nityotsava Nitya Kalyana Sarva Mangalakara Sarva Bhuda Dayabara Sarva Bhauma Sai Rama, Satya Sai Rama. Take the water 3 times. Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Jaya Vijayi Bhava. Bolo Bhagavan Satya Sai Baba Ji ki. Yay!
I need to do.
Finish. Yeah,
Thank you.